Namaste, and today I have brought the factorization of trinomial of type x square plus minus bx plus minus c. Okay, let's start today's first page. First page. Okay, before starting this first page, I want to welcome you all. Welcome, student. And first page of today's class goes like this. And here it is factorization of the trinomial of the type x square plus minus bx plus minus c. In this factorization, look, in previous class we learned, okay, about this multiplication of m and n. The same, that one will be used in this factorization of this trinomial, okay. And here in this box we have shown that one, okay. This box is not compulsory to show in factorizing this one, okay, this type of question, but they will be used, okay. These boxes will be used, the method will be used to factorize this type of trinomials. And look, if first example, it is here x square plus 7x plus 12, and when it is given to factorize and middle term there is 7, okay, this we have to take as b, okay, b equals 7, and this is 12, and we have to take it as c. And here when we multiply this m and n, okay, at that time we have to get this 12, the product should be 12 and the sum will be 7. And as we know that we have done in previous class also, 1 into 12 equals to 12, and it's correct, okay. And 1 plus 12 equals to this 13, but it should be 7, that's why it is not equals to 7, it is incorrect. And here's 2 into 6 equals to 12, and 2 plus 6 equals to, it's 8, it's not equals to 7, that's why it's also not correct. And 3 into 4 equals to 12, and 3 plus 4 equals 7, okay. Here this both the results are correct, that's why we have to use this, okay. In place of 12 we have to use 3 into 4, and in place of 7 we have to use here 3 plus 4, okay. Now here in 7 1 we have to write here 3 plus 4, and in place of 12 we have to understand that there are the two factors 3 and 4, okay. That's why right here x square plus, then open the bracket, then it will be 3 into x, 3x, okay, and plus, right, plus, and 4 into x, right here 4x, okay, and plus here, right, 12. And now we have converted this trinomial into the 4 terms. If there are 4 terms, then we have to divide them into 2 groups and take the common of two groups, okay. Here first 2 group, in first 2 terms, one in 2 groups, x is common, then if you take x common, then here is left x, and here is left plus 3, and plus 4 common, as I told you, 4 into 3 is here, okay, in 12. If you take 4 common, then what is left here, x, and here is left plus 3. Now we have to check here whether this remaining in the bracket and here this remaining in the bracket are same or not. If they are same, then we have to take them common. If they are same, then only our factorization is correct. Now we have to take this x plus 3 common, right here x plus 3, okay. And now what is remaining here? Here is remaining x, and here is remaining plus 4. And these two are the required factors of this question, okay. Like this we have to do other questions also. Let's move to the another example. Okay, in this example, okay, the question is, okay, the question is here, x square plus 7x minus 18. Okay, this is the question. Okay, here, look here, middle one, b, we have to get 7, and this c we have to get minus 18, and we have to do in draw on this one. So we have to find two numbers, m and n, such that m into n should be minus 18 and m plus n should be plus 7, okay. And here what we have to do in 7, let's do this product m into n 18 into minus 1, minus 18, and 18 plus minus 1 is 17. Okay, here it is correct, here is incorrect. Okay, 6 into minus 3, minus 18 is correct, and here 6 plus minus 3 is okay, 3, and it should be 7, but that's why it is wrong. Here its remark is wrong. And now 9 into minus 2 is minus 18, and this is correct remark, and 9 plus minus 2 is 7. Okay, here in this last one, both the remarks are correct. Okay, so we have to use them in this solution. In place of 7, these two numbers, look at 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 minus 2, if you multiply, you will get minus 18. Okay, now let's remove this bracket. 9 into x is 9x, and minus 2 into x, minus 2x. And we know that 18 means, in place of 18, we have to use 9 into 2. And here x common, then x plus 9 left here, and minus 2 common, then x plus 9 here. Okay, now if you take x plus 9 common here, then what is remaining here? Here is remaining x, and here is remaining minus 2. These two are the factors of this question. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's move to the next question. And this is the example number, okay, 3. Okay, and in this example number 3, look at p square minus 14 p cube plus 24 q square. Okay, and solution, look here, p square minus 14 p cube plus 24 q square, and here in place of b we have to get minus 14, because here is b, in place of b minus 14, and in place of c there is 24. Okay, its coefficient is 24. So we have to find the two numbers m and n, such that m into n is 24, and m plus n is minus 14. Okay, and now let's take here example here, minus 24 into minus 1 is 24, is correct, and minus 24 plus minus 1 is minus 25, it's incorrect, it must come minus 14, and minus 12 into minus 2 is 24, is correct. Okay, remark, and minus 12 and minus this plus minus 2 is minus 14, this both result are correct. Okay, and here minus 8 into minus 3 is 24, is correct, and minus 8 plus minus 3, okay, it's minus 11, this is incorrect remark. Okay, both the remarks is, one remark is incorrect, and this is incorrect, and this is correct, and here in second one both the remarks were correct. That's why in place of this minus 14 we have to use their 12 plus 2. Okay, now before moving to this next step, we have to take care about this sign. Look here, whether we are removing this sign correctly or not. Minus plus, it will be minus. Okay, here we have to write minus sign, and this minus into plus, here will be also minus. Okay, then 2 into pq, 2pq, and here will be plus 24q square, same. Now let's take the common in this two term, p common, then what will be left here? P minus 12q, and here minus 2q common. As I told in 24, what is here? 12 into minus, okay, this minus 12 into minus 2. Okay, then if you take here minus 2 common, then it is left minus 12. Okay, because minus 2 you have taken common, then minus 2 will be left in the bracket. That's why this bracket and this bracket, whether they are correct or not, we have to check them. Okay, and let's take them common. P minus 12q common, and what is left here? P minus 2q left in the end of the bracket. Okay, these two are the factors of this question. Okay, and similarly, now we have to do other example also. See here, let's move to the end of the example. Example number 4, and here, okay, in this example, look there is a square minus 5a by b minus 6 by b square. Okay, that means we have to break this. Okay, 5 and 6. Okay, here's b equals minus 5 and c equals minus 6. So we have to find two numbers m and n, such that m into n must be minus 6 and m plus n must be minus 5. And 1 into minus 6 is minus 6, and 1 plus minus 6 is minus 5. Okay, here this is also correct, and this is also correct. Okay, this both the remarks are correct. And here 2 into minus 3 minus 6, and 2 plus minus 3 is minus 1. This is incorrect, but this is the correct one. Okay, we have to use this first one remark. Okay, because this both the remarks are correct. And in place of 5, we have to use 6 minus 1, and in place of 6, we have to use 1 into minus 6. Okay, here 1 into minus 6. And when you remove this bracket, 6 into a by b means what will be here? Minus 6 in this one, a by b. And here, and minus minus plus, minus minus plus, and here, okay, and here what will be? Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Okay, take care about this sign. And if you take common now a here, a common, then a minus 6 by b, and here plus 1, b, 1 by b common. If you take 1 by b common, then here is left a, and here left minus 6 by b, 1b still left here because there will be square. B square means b into b. We have taken 1b already common. Now what is left now? A minus 6 by b is common in both. Right here a minus 6 by b. And what is left here? A plus 1 by b is another factor. Okay. Like this, we have to factorize these trinomials. Okay. I hope you are understanding. And similarly, now there are the questions. Okay. These are the questions for your assignment. Okay. Remember this. Okay. These are the questions for assignment. X square plus 5x plus 6, a square plus 9a minus 36, a to the power 4 minus 15a cube plus 36a square, x square minus x minus 30, x square y square minus 12xy minus 85. Okay. As I have shown the example, similarly, you have to solve these 5 questions. Okay. And today this much only. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.